Happy Tuesday, everybody. Debbie Starr here. And I wanted to jump on and give you a real quick tech tip for the day. It's all about picking out the perfect brand colors. And I have a fun little thing to show you. I have to tell you, though, it's very easy, but it's kind of addicting what I'm going to show you. You could easily spend some hours down this rabbit hole, but it's just a fun way to be able to quickly pull together your branding colors. It's free, it's on Canva, and that's what I'm going to show you. So let me just share my screen here. And then I'm going to hop over to Canva, and it doesn't matter. You can have the free version, paid version. You don't even have to have Canva to use this. So the site, and I'll put it in the comments below also, but you just go to canva.com, colors, color palette generator. And what you do is you upload an image and it will give you the color codes. So I had pre-selected a few little images here. So I'm just going to select on one, and literally in seconds, it gives you those brand colors. So in this one, it gives me the 4 main colors that it's pulling from this picture. So let's do it again. So let me pick a second picture here. And look at this. So again, just upload that and it will show you the images or the colors. And as I said, it can be very addicting. But what's nice is as you're navigating out on the internet and you see something that really calls your name, calls your, it's like, oh, I just love that picture. Chances are there's an image in that is calling your name. So just save those images, put them in a folder, and then come here to the color palette generator, and it just gives you a nice palette of the colors. Now, I will say what I've noticed is sometimes colors can be a little deceiving, and the colors do show up a little differently based on what platform you're using, if you've got a Mac or a PC, things like that. So this picture here, I love this kind of soft, kind of a peachy hue and the yellows and the greens. But when it showed me the colors down here, now to me, I'm thinking, ew, that's a little dull looking. But again, Canva is just picking the top 4 colors, and it's doing the best it can. And if you look closely at this little peach color, it has different shadings. So this chalky color is probably not the perfect match. But again, you just, if it's not bringing up something that just really is calling your name, you just keep looking and you find other colors. So this one's really fun. I love this blue and this pink together, gives you a soft peach. And again, down here at the bottom, it gives you the hex code and gives you the name of that color. All right. So, I mean, how fun is that? I just wanted to hop on here and share that with you. So again, I don't want you going down the rabbit hole and spending too much time, but if you are trying to rebrand or put together a brand palette of your colors, or maybe you're working with a client and maybe the client doesn't know what their brand colors should be, just ask them to pick a few of their favorite pictures that they see out on the internet. And then you can use this little palette generator to start coming up with some colors. Then you can just put it on a document, and then you can kind of go from there. So anyway, who does not love Canva, right? I mean, there's just so many cool things with Canva. So that's just a real quick little tech tip for you today, and don't spend too much time on it. And by the way, if you're part of the Facebook group, Systems to Scale Your Business, why don't you share what your brand colors are? That would be fun so that everybody can see what the brand colors are. All right. Thanks for watching me and have a great day.